Custom-Made Jewelry by Sylvia Findings, Richmond, BC, Canada. Begin your creative journey right here. Diamond Testing Service.
Hi, my name is Mark Leroux for Sylvia Findings, and I'm just going to show you our Artium diamond tester. Sometimes customers are concerned about the validity of diamonds. You know, we have so much 14 karat settings. Some of our rings have diamonds in them. Sometimes if people are ordering custom items, they will have their main stone, but they want to have side stones around it, or halos, or all kinds of uses for, you know, diamonds in the settings. And, you know, the customer wants to be confident, 100% confident that the stones that are in their settings are actually diamonds and they're not moissanites or cubic zirconias or those kind of things. I have some of our rings. One of our rings is an actual gold ring that we sell. One is a gold ring with some diamond stones that we borrowed from someone. One of these is a moissanite ring, and one of these is a sterling ring with a bunch of cubic zirconias in there. Now, the pen testers that are really common, that you see them all over the place in jewelry stores, they're great to a degree, and they'll tell you the difference between a diamond and like a ruby or something like that. But they're not really good between lab-grown diamonds and natural diamonds, or lab-grown diamonds and moissanites. They use thermal or electrical conductivity to measure the differences between the diamonds or moissanites or cubic zirconias. And a lot of times you'll have moissanites that will pass as diamonds if it's not as accurate, or some of the lab-grown diamonds. And there are a couple different kinds. I'm not going to get too technical here, but there are some of the lab-grown diamonds will pass the test as natural diamonds. This machine doesn't use that kind of thermal electrical conductivity. It uses UV light, and it bounces ultraviolet light off the stones, and the reflections of those stones carry certain wavelengths, and different chemical properties of the stones will have different wavelengths, and that are easily definable or measurable by the machine. And I'm going to show you the difference between actual diamonds, moissanites, and cubic zirconias in this next step. So we'll just put these in the machine and we'll give it a test. Okay, so I've arranged our rings on this little ring stand, and we're just going to put this in the analyzer, and then you can see the rings in here. I'm just going to turn off the regular light. The UV light will work up, and then I'll press that to scan it. It'll scan those stones. It'll get an image for ultraviolet, and then HPHT and CVD are two different kinds of lab-grown crystals, or diamonds, I should say. And here you can see, let me see if I can make this bigger on the screen. The side stones in our 14 karat gold ring here fluorescing with diamonds. And here's a little reference chart that can show you what diamonds look like. All these ones that fluoresce blue, light blue, are diamonds, all the way a little bit darker blue. And you can see that side stones fluoresce one way and the center stone here fluoresce another way, but they're all definitely blue. The moissanite, you can see, is black, and the cubic zirconias are also lifeless. But that's basically it. And the cool thing about this is that in some of those pen testers, this stone that shows black here would pass the test as a diamond. But of course, you can't mess with light, and you can't fool wavelengths. Science! And that's it. Thanks for watching.